Keto Meal Plan for Beginners Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone! If you're new to keto and not sure what to eat, when to eat, or how much to eat, this video is for you. Today, I'm giving you a simple, step-by-step, 7-day keto meal plan that will help you get started the right way. You'll know exactly what to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and by the end of the week, you'll already start seeing results. So if you want to burn fat, feel amazing, and avoid beginner mistakes, keep watching. Let's jump in. How to follow this keto meal plan. Before we get into the meals, here are some key things to keep in mind. Eat real, whole foods, focus on healthy fats, quality proteins, and low-carb veggies. Keep carbs low, stick to 20 to 30 grams of net carbs per day for best results. Drink plenty of water, at least 2 to 3 liters per day to stay hydrated. Don't fear fat, healthy fats help keep you full and energized. Track your progress, take photos and measurements instead of just relying on the scale. Now that you know the basics, let's get into the 7-day meal plan. Day 1. Simple and satisfying start. Breakfast. Avocado and egg scrambled eggs cooked in butter with half an avocado on the side. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad, grilled chicken breast, leafy greens, olive oil dressing, and feta cheese. Dinner. Pan-seared salmon and garlic butter veggies, salmon cooked in butter with steamed broccoli and cauliflower. Tip: the first day on keto can be tough as your body adjusts. Make sure to drink water and add a pinch of salt to avoid the keto flu. Day 2. Keeping it easy and delicious. Breakfast. Keto omelet to 3 eggs, spinach, mushrooms, and shredded cheese cooked in butter. Lunch. Bunless cheeseburger, beef patty with melted cheese, lettuce wrap, and a side of pickles. Dinner. Keto chicken Alfredo, chicken thighs cooked in a creamy, cheesy Alfredo sauce with zucchini noodles. Tip: if you're feeling hungry between meals, snack on boiled eggs, nuts, or cheese instead of carb-heavy foods. Day 3. Fat-burning favorites. Breakfast. Bulletproof coffee and nuts, coffee blended with butter and MCT oil, plus a handful of almonds. Lunch. Bacon and avocado salad, crispy bacon, avocado slices, mixed greens, and a homemade ranch dressing. Dinner. Garlic butter shrimp and asparagus, shrimp sautéed in butter with asparagus and lemon juice. Tip: fat keeps you full. If you're still hungry after meals, increase your healthy fat intake by adding extra olive oil, butter, or avocado. Day 4. Staying on track. Breakfast. Chia seed pudding, chia seeds soaked overnight in unsweetened almond milk with stevia. Lunch. Steak and broccoli, grilled steak with sautéed broccoli in butter. Dinner. Stuffed chicken breast, chicken stuffed with cream cheese, spinach, and mozzarella, baked to perfection. Tip: keto cravings can hit hard, especially for sweets. If that happens, try dark chocolate 85% plus, keto fat bombs, or a handful of nuts. Day 5. Easy and effective. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with avocado to 3 eggs scrambled in butter with sliced avocado. Lunch. Keto BLT wrap, lettuce, bacon, tomato, mayo, and turkey slices wrapped in a large lettuce leaf. Dinner. Grilled tilapia with butter sauce, tilapia fillet grilled with butter and garlic, served with roasted Brussels sprouts. Tip: if you feel low on energy, increase your salt intake. Keto makes you lose water and minerals fast, so replenish them by drinking broth or adding more salt to your meals. Day 6. Almost there. Breakfast. Bacon and eggs, classic breakfast with crispy bacon and scrambled eggs. Lunch. Chicken Caesar salad, romaine lettuce, grilled chicken, Parmesan cheese, and keto-friendly Caesar dressing. Dinner. Beef stir-fry, thinly sliced beef stir-fried with bell peppers, zucchini, and sesame oil. Tip: your body is now getting used to burning fat for fuel. If you feel great, you're on the right track. Day 7. Full keto mode. Breakfast. Keto smoothie, avocado, unsweetened almond milk, spinach, and protein powder blended together. Lunch. Egg salad, lettuce wraps, hard-boiled eggs mixed with mayo, wrapped in large lettuce leaves. Dinner. Baked salmon with roasted cauliflower, salmon fillet baked with olive oil and lemon, served with roasted cauliflower. Tip: by now, your cravings should be way lower, and your energy levels should be higher. If that's the case, congrats, you're officially fat adapted. Final thoughts. This 7-day keto meal plan is simple, effective, and easy to follow. If you stick to it, you'll start seeing fat loss, especially around your belly. Better energy, no more crash from carbs. fewer cravings as your body gets used to burning fat for fuel. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to start your keto journey? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more keto meal plans, recipes, and fat burning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.